Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use background sounds in the new iOS 15. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. What we want to do is just go ahead and open up our settings, and then you're going to want to scroll down until you see Control Center. So let's go ahead and tap on that. And then you can see what is currently included. What we need to add is the hearing toggle here. So I'm going to select the little green plus icon next to hearing, and that'll add it to my features included in my control center. So now whenever I swipe down from the upper right hand corner, I'll see this little ear icon here. I can go ahead and tap on this, and right now I can see that the background sounds are off, and to turn them on, all I gotta do is tap on it here, and it will go ahead and turn them on for you. And if you ever want to switch the sound that is being played, for example, right now it's playing the stream, I can go ahead and just select this here, and we have a few different options, everything from balanced noise to rain sounds to ocean sounds. So pretty cool, unique new feature here on iOS 15, and this will even include these sounds while you're listening to music, videos, podcasts. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.